Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amirazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this beautiful Bubu Kaftan long gown, very long one, and you can see the material that we are using, very beautiful. Guys, please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. And we have similar tutorial on my channel. You can also watch it so that you can learn from it. And we also have other beautiful styles that we have made. Please try to check our other tutorials on my channel so that you can also watch and learn from it. So guys, please watch this tutorial to the end so that you can learn from it.
So we folded our fabric. So this is the material we are using to make it. We folded it on two, that is, we are cutting it together, front and back. So we start with our measurement. To start with the measurement, my measurement of my length, the vertical length, is 57, adding 1 inch on it, that is 58 for the hem allowance. So we'll continue to measure our measurement and get our proper measurement, that is the length, that is the vertical length. So before we now start with the body measurement now. So that is what I'm doing there now. So we'll mark it. So we'll start with the width. That is, the width is what I'm measuring there. What I have there now is 14. It's 14 that you are seeing there now. So you continue to mark. So I'm just showing you what we have that we use to cut this our style. So it's 14 throughout. So we start with the neck. Is the neck that I'm marking there now. The mark there is 3.5, that is the neck, and it's a V neck that it will have at the front side. So to bring out the cleavage is 7. So it's 7 that I'm also marking there now. So we just take our roller to roll it. That's what I'm doing there now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please watch my channel to the end, my video to the end, and make a comment, share it to your friends so that more people can watch this video and learn from it. So that is what we are doing there now. So I've chalk it and I've roll it out. So 3.5. So the neck now from the back, because we'll cut it all together. That's what I'm doing. Then marking 2 to bring it down. That's the cleavage. So it's the round one there now. So it's the neck for the back. By the time I finish cutting, you see what I'm doing there now. So we start with the armhole side. Is the armhole side, and you know from that armhole side is 9. That is where we'll get our armhole and the sleeve, because it's all cut together. Remember, it's a Bubu Kaftan and it's a long one that we are making. So that is the slanted side of the neck. That is the shoulder side of it. I'm slanting it down with 1 inch. So on that side that you are seeing that I'm marking there now is 15, where we'll just start with the shape of it. So I'm just trying to shape it out so that we just take it down. So I will just roll it out now there now to just take it flow. So remember, it's Kaftan Bubu that we are making, a long one that we are making this fabric, and you can see the fabric is a lovely one. So we have done with the measurement. So this style is not difficult to learn or to sew. So I want you to watch it very well and learn it and sew it by yourself, and share to your friends also, and subscribe. Please watch my video to the end. So I'm cutting it now. So that is the shoulder side that I'm cutting. Remember, everything that we are using on the width of this body is 14. So it's 14 that I'm marking, that I use to get this size of this fabric that we are making. So that is the armhole side. Remember, I told you that is where we will get our armhole and it will form our sleeve. So it's all cut together. The front and the back is what I mean. We are cutting it all together, and on that chalk side, that is where we'll start with our sewing, and then it will form that sleeve. So I'm cutting it downside. Please, the camera is not showing downside, but That is what I'm doing there now. So I'm cutting from the downside to get to this place that I've cut out. So you remember, it's a long gown that we are making, long bubble gown that we are making on this style, on this fabric. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So I've cut it. So please watch my video. What I will also do now after cutting it now, just for me now to take it to the machine and go and stitch, and before you know, our bubble kaftan long gown will be ready. It's not a difficult style that you will see. It's a very simple style and it's good to go. So this is what I'm doing there now, because I've cut out from the back side, that is the neck, round neck. So this is the front one that I already chalk out. So can you see what I'm pointing it out for you to see? So we will cut our V now. So that is the V neck that I'm cutting now, so that we'll take it to the machine and go and stitch from the armhole side and stitch the shoulder side, and before you know, it will be ready, and also hem the down side of it, and our bubu kaftan long gown will be ready. So that is the neck. I'm showing you with my camera for you to see how it is. So please don't forget to subscribe. You can see that it's ready now to go.
Yes, our Bubu Kaftan long gown is ready. That's V neckline at the front, very beautiful one, and the fabric that we use is very beautiful. Please, guys, if you don't understand what we did here, please try to watch this tutorial again and again so that you can learn how to cut it on your own. That's the essence of making these tutorials, for you guys to learn how to cut and sew on your own. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. You can share my video with your friends, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. And also, we are going to also make more tutorials. Please, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.